Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So boring, my new song. Whoo, boy, that is some flight time here. Assalamualaikum and greetings, Alishanmo here. Today I am going to test the M2 helicopter flying in normal mode, normal throttle, and see without any aerobatics how long we can fly the M2 helicopter, what is the flight endurance it will offer. So right now my T1 timer on Futaba is on 00. As soon as I increase the throttle, the helicopter, the Futaba radio will start the timer, and once I land, the timer will stop. So how do I know when the battery is dying? I don't have a battery meter installed. So I installed a low voltage beeper. It's very big that I cannot actually add my canopy, the cover, so we'll just fly it without any cover, because anyway we're not gonna do any aerobatics. Timer started. I better sit down because it is going to be a long flight. I'm just gonna enjoy flying today in a normal mode, stabilized mode. Just enjoy a scaled flight. So boring without 3D. So boring. This can be my new song. And that is why these helicopters are boring if you don't do 3D. And that is why they introduced 3D, that you can have fun and you will not have boring flights. Boring. Still flying backward, backward, backward. At least I can practice flying scale flight style. Okay, there is the low voltage beeper. Yeah, although it's still there's nothing. Wait, one moment. Probably one cell is feeling painful. Wait a minute. Until I get constant beeps, I'm not gonna land. Okay. Well. Okay. Well, I'm wrong. Only on the punches I'm getting that. Alright, that's the constant one. Oh, no, it's gone. It's gone. I'll torture the battery more. Okay, it's back on the low throttle. Sweet! 9 minutes 37 seconds. Whoo, boy, that is some flight time here on a single battery. One moment, let's check what the battery is feeling like. 3.6, 3.6, 11.0, 3.69, 3.68, 3.68. Nice, not bad. 3.6 is the standard to land the helicopter or anything RC on electric. So basically 9 minutes 37 seconds. Now I have one more battery and I'm gonna check how long you fly with full throttle. Sorry, the card got full in my other camera. I changed the camera now. I'm on 1 minute 4 seconds on a full throttle flight. So let's take off again. Winds have started. I see my low voltage beeper is hanging there. I have checked the length of the battery cable, so it will basically will not go into main blades at those speeds. Though I can tell you, the low voltage beeper is shitting itself watching that, how close it is getting to the main blades. I wonder if low voltage beeper will just start beeping just to save itself from getting too close to this high RPM blades. Okay, the first beep came. Alright, the battery is too painful. Let's land. Oh, it's closed, it's closed. Back to full throttle. Alright, that's it, let's not torture the battery, okay? 3 minutes 52 seconds. Right now I have 11.2 volts, 3.7, 3.7, 3.74. Alright, so the battery is in safe voltage levels. It's not gonna get damaged. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right